Veggie fajitas are a colorful and delicious meal. I love it in the summer. Savory mushrooms, tender asparagus, sweet peppers, and onions. Here's how to make it. In a mixing bowl, combine mushrooms, asparagus, onions, and bell pepper. Pop on a little oil so that way the seasonings can stick to something. And then some spices. So I have paprika, and you're gonna go for about a teaspoon of each of these things. Ancho chili powder and cumin, and then a little bit of salt to make those flavors pop, and some lime juice. Give it a stir so that everything is evenly covered. Then pop it in a grill basket and grill for 15 to 20 minutes until tender and browned. While the veggies cook, warm your corn tortillas. Then fill them with those fire-licked veggies. And then load it up with some of your favorite toppings. I'm using a dollop of guacamole and a little bit of cilantro for garnish. And that's all there is to it. Serve your veggie fajitas with a side of refried beans, Spanish rice, or chips and salsa. Then dig in. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. You can find it at Cattery'sKitchen.com.